afternoon. Can you please order a salad for me with a Coke Zero and no ranch dressing, okay? And give me some classic wings, cause I'm on keto.
You lied to me. Octavia, you lied to me. You keep the baby.
You saw me walk past you? Anthony, please not try and make a scene, alright? Just buy your food and go.
The baby alright? The baby healthy?
Yes, the baby alright, alright? Him alright, okay?
You have a boy. You're supposed to soon go in a labor, don't it?
Anthony, please. This is not your baby, alright? It's not your baby. Can you just leave me alone?
In front of my baby, why you cry?
Anthony, what are you doing?
Rosita, nothing. I'm just waiting to order food. No, I'm off to see my son. No matter where you was, I'll go see my son. What that for? Hey, why you come out that stove?
What, do you think I'm stupid?
Rosita, you're overreacting. Why are you acting like this for?
Listen, just because I'm insanely beautiful doesn't mean I'm stupid, okay? As soon as we walked in, your whole demeanor changed. Then I saw you talking to that woman. That pregnant woman. Who is she? I need answers.
She's just an old friend, okay?
Is that your baby?
No, Rosita, of course not.
You better hope you're not lying, because if you are, you'll be sorry. Trust me, Anthony. You don't want to play with me.
Shit. Mi amor, the food is almost ready.
Don't put any strawberries in it. I don't think she likes strawberries. Your mother said she was gonna come today. Is she still coming? She said she's gonna show me some of the baby clothes she wanted to give us.
This is my Magdalena. She's coming, don't worry. But you need to call your father and let him know that you're pregnant. It's going on too long now. It's gonna look really bad if he doesn't find out.
I'm just really scared to tell him, you know? Worse.
I'm sure he'll understand, honey. But let him know. A father always wants to know how their baby girl is doing. Especially when that baby girl is carrying their first grandchild.
My God, Miguel, you know, if I make me feel how we still in now. Alright, I'll tell him today. Or tomorrow. Depends. Thank you, Miguel.
It's no problem, my amor.
You know, I'm feeling kinda frisky. You wanna have some fun? Humpy beating dominoes at the last time? Me? You can't uncle this. Mr. Miguel.
Octavia, what are you doing in bed? Are you feeling okay? You know, I was thinking about something lately. I'm tired of this apartment.
What do you mean by you're tired of this apartment? What are you talking about? I like the apartment. It's comfortable.
It's very comfortable, but
But what, Adam? Tell me. What are you planning? Eh? I really want to know. Tell me.
alright. I'm buying a house.
A house? Really? But why would you want to do that? I mean, we're already living here. You want to pack up everything and just move go somewhere else, Adam? Are you sure about that? I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Like, I like it here and the kids them like it here.
I know that, Octavia, but I want my son to grow up in a house with a backyard, you know?
Guess it sounds nice. Alright, anything that you want to do, Adam.
So you're still gonna act like that you don't know that girl and that's not your baby?
Listen here now, Rosita, I'm not to explain nothing to you, you know.
Excuse me? Who do you think you're talking to? You can't talk to me like that. I'm getting sick and tired of your lies, Anthony. Be honest.
I get sick and tired of your bullshit. Everything you want get vexed for. Every local thing. When I'm married. Man can't deal with this no more. Me I left.
You're just gonna go? Just like that? How can you just leave me like that? I'm sorry, Anthony. It's just that my ex-boyfriend used to cheat on me a lot. And it's kind of hard for me to trust people, okay? I'm sorry, Anthony. Please. Please don't go. I need you. Promise I'll stop jumping to conclusions about everything. Just please don't leave me, Anthony. Please. I promise. From this day on, I'm gonna be a new person. I promise. I won't bother you about anything.
I just don't like when people question me. Me tell you something, I saw it go, alright? I don't even in a long argument with you. And plus, me just meet you. You move too hard.
I'm sorry.
It's alright. Okay, Rosita, just calm down. Don't overreact.
I know, I'm just...
Man really like you, Rosita. But you need to bail a little bit, man. You're too angry and you get vexed by everything. Like, you need to bail and relax a little bit. Like, you can't just be all up in that, you know, I go on the move so you put your hand pan, man. I'm gonna play them thing there. I'm gonna deal with woman who stay so. Alright? If you change your ways them if you want me to stay with you.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, Anthony. Please. I'm sorry. Please don't be mad at me. Please. I'm sorry. I'll do anything you want. Anything.
Anything you say. What you gonna do for me? You gonna on the counter?
Big Ed, you finally reached.
Might take me a while for me there. But the area really nice. There's more things to do. Down where my granny live. Should I city will come?
Yeah, man, a lot of stores here. So what you want to do? We can go get something to eat. You want Chinese food? Or you want Jamaican food?
It's up to you, you know. Anything what you want. Me alright with it. But go hurry up and leave. Can I have 2 specials, please, for me and her?
Whoa, that's spicy. Wow, it's really spicy. So, how's private school going for you? You still like it? Is it different from school in Jamaica? I have to ask because public school is kind of boring, and in a state not like school a lot.
You know, Danny, I was really thinking about something the other day, and I wanted to know if you and your boyfriend doing good.
Yeah, man, we're alright, I guess.
Yeah, so him treat you good and everything. I mean, I just ask for just make sure you're alright.
Honestly, I'm always busy or do something. I mean, every other day, I'm have some type of show I'm have to do or I'm have to practice. You know? It's not like, oh, it's alright. I love for Junior.
You know, you look really good today.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yeah, no,
No. We can't do this again, Junior. We can't do this again. I just.
yeah, no. Listen, I don't even, I can't even explain it. We're just,
Say what it is, you know, it's an accident, right?
oh, Diana, it's not an accident for me. I really miss you, Diana. And I can't get over you, no matter how much we try.
What about in a relationship, Junior? We can't see each other. And anyways, you cheat on me, remember? I can't.
You know how much me regret doing that. How much more regret hurting you. One of the biggest mistakes them ever make in my life. You know, I love you. You're the only girl who feel comfortable. You're the only girl who really actually love. No lie.
Chorus up. Ready, set, go.
Diana, wait, no, I love Ram, so.